Okay, everyone, we're gonna try to select and mask and basically add this as an asset to your ocean undersea scene. I'm gonna use the skater as an example. So this is in lecture part 6, creating your assets, photos. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of different possibilities, all good in various ways and various reasons. I'm going to show you my favorite one, which is select and mask. It's a fusion of AI, a mix of AI and physically analog, not analog, but doing it by hand. Okay, so we do this. We start out by getting a new. I've been using 600 by 600 pixels, and with a resolution of 300, and I hit create, and right under here you have import image. I grabbed this image actually again from School of Motion because they had used this as a good example of how to grab a photo and fix it. So that's what we're doing. Pretend this is a turtle or jellyfishes or whatever. So I'm going to import this. I got a little lazy and I didn't change it from but this is fine. A screenshot. I should have changed the original and called it Skater and all this stuff. You should never just grab it from a screenshot. You should title it, put the original in your assets folder on your desktop, not on your Photoshop folder. That's different. But anyhow, I'm just gonna place this photo, put it in there, and hit return. And this is, I want to grab this skater and put the skater somewhere else in a different skate part. Let's boost this up a little bit. It's a lot easier. Ooh, not that much. How about 400? Okay, 400. Okay. And remember that you can hit spacebar and it turns it into hand to move it around. So the first thing you need to do is go over to here and go to quick selection tool. It's absolutely critical that this has been checked or is activated, however you want to call it. And then you go to this above and say select subject, and it'll select and almost be perfect. We'll see how perfect it is. And then you select and mask. Now, this will allow you to fix it, right? And let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to say 900, right? And use your spacebar hand, and you see that this is messed up, and then you see a chunk of his leg is out. So it automatically does a fix it tool. And the size is it's a brush system that repairs what could be missing, right? So I'll show you how to do that. And I brought the brush size down to 3 because I want, and then if you just click on, and then it's added that part of the skateboard. And let's go over here. And, oh no, oh, sorry, right here. And you fix this right here. And I'm clicking on, and that should be enough. Now, if you went like this, then what you do is, first of all, you Command Z. But if you had this little chunk coming out, then you hit Option key, and the Option key will erase it and erase it. Okay, so that should be good. All right, all right. Now I say okay. It's all good. It's still selected. I copy this because I kind of want to keep this as is, as kind of an original file. There's a way of getting rid of the background and just exporting it as is. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go copy, right? What I've copied is what is selected right here. Let me actually, it's better if so I've copied this. I'm going to copy this. I'm not going to export it yet. I'm going to create a new file, same 600 by 600, 3p, a blank, and then I'm going to paste that, and there it is. It's floating there, okay? There it is. It's ready, and let's see if it's been fixed. It's not only is ready, but it's been fixed, and it's great and perfect. So you get a second chance to look at it and make sure it's okay. Right. I will take this background off because I want the background to be transparent. I then go export as, and again, want to keep it at transparent. Transparency is checked. And you export and you say skater with transparent background. So now that's already, pretend that's a turtle. And that's already there. It's in your assets, and that can be brought into your scene. All right?